Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do another unboxing today from Saint Laurent. I know that a lot of people already owned and give reviews about this Kate Small, but I just recently got it, so I just want to share it with you how the bag looks on me or how I fit things into this bag. If that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So let's get started. This is the bag still wrapped with the paper tissue, and the tassel comes with the dust bag. Take it really well. They even wrap the chain. And this. Look how shiny. Let's open this too and wrap the wrapping. My first time seeing the chain wrap like this. Alright, look at this bag. You can't go wrong with black and gold hardware, right? It's beautiful. Look at the iconic YSL logo. It's shiny. And the tassel makes it look so stunning, so sleek, right? This type of skin is like pebble grain skin, like caviar from Chanel. This YSL Kate is in small size. So let's see inside. It has magnetic nap flap closure. It just says Saint Laurent and Paris in here. Get this out. Okay, so it has one slip pocket in here. Made in Italy. It has a gold chain, so this will look perfect for a night out. You can cut off this inside and just use it as a clutch like this, or you can use both. I will take some mug shots and post in the video, or you can use a double chain like this. This tassel looks stunning, but it may bother somebody. I like it. It looks good. This YSL Kate bag comes with different type of leathers, and it comes with different type of hardwares too, like silver, gold, or even black. I'm gonna compare with the old one that I had years ago. I forgot when I got it, maybe even 6 years ago. I don't think they have this one anymore, unless pre-loved website. This is different type leather. It's more like lambskin from Chanel. This one is scratched a little easier. It's like metallic color. It's a YSL Monogram chain wallet, Crossbody Classic Medium. That is the name of it. It comes with the detachable chain that you can detach it right here. This is bigger. It comes with 20 slots for a credit card. Very big. And 2 pockets and 1 zip pocket in the middle. So this one can hold more cards. It's softer. You can see the difference from both. The YSL Kate Small is a little shorter, about 1 inch shorter than the YSL medium. This black one is a little thicker, but a little shorter than the gold one. They both come with gold hardware, but this one has a tassel. Very slick.
Compare these two bags, you can see the length of the chain on the black Kate Small is a little longer than this chain on the gold. The chain on the gold bag here also much shinier than the chain on the black Kate Small. The chain will look a little different too. I don't know if you can tell from the light in here.
To me, I think this can dress up easier than this one. I love the look of the K bag with the tassel. It looks gorgeous. Let's see how I fit these in the bag. This one just has one big pocket and one slip pocket. So I may use this to put my iPhone in. This is a 6S Plus. This is a 6 key holder. And this is a key pouch. But I gonna have a card and some cash in here. It looks perfect. It's a little heavy. You see how it is in here? Alright, so now I gonna try to put these in here. There's two big pockets. So I gonna put on one side the phone and the key pouch and the 6 key holder on one side. It doesn't look good if I stuffed these 3 things in here. I may just put the key in here and use the key pouch only. This looks much better. This bag is more for dress up occasion, so we wouldn't bring a lot of things in here anyway. So this is a thinner bag. This one is shorter, but it's thicker, so we can put more things in it. Let me tell you how I got this bag. I was searching for some items from Costco website and saw this bag. I decided to get this right away because it was at a good price. I haven't had any bag with the tassel, so this one caught my eyes and that's how I got it. So if you don't know Costco offer these luxury brands, then check it out. Costco sometimes have bags from Prada, Saint Laurent or Burberry and a lot of different brands. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again in the next video. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye now.